Lecture 14. Management of the IS Audit Function. Dear student, the IS Audit Function ensures that the audit team will fulfill the objectives of the audit function while preserving audit independence and competence. Managing the IS Audit Function ensures that senior management add value in the efficient management of IT and the achievement of business objectives. IS Audit Resource Management. Information technology is continually changing, so IS auditors should update their audit techniques and technological skills to maintain competency. When planning audits and assigning staff to specific audit engagements, the auditor's skills and knowledge are taken into consideration. Remember that audit management develop a detailed training plan for the IS audit staff based on the audit plan. If an IS auditor participates in the design of a risk management framework, it compromises the auditor's independence to audit it. But if the IS auditor advises on different implementation techniques, it does not compromise the auditor's independence. Though delivering awareness training is an operational responsibility, facilitating the awareness training does not hamper the IS auditor's independence. The IS auditor's independence is impaired by active involvement in the development, acquisition, and implementation of any application system. Designing an embedded audit module for auditing an application does not impair the auditor's independence. IS auditors should not audit any work they've done before, but just participating as a member of the application system project team without having operational responsibilities does not impair an IS auditor's independence. If an auditor provides consulting advice to an application's best practice, it does not impair the auditor's independence. But when the auditor recommends a specific vendor, the auditor's professional independence is compromised. Conducting a vulnerability assessment can be the responsibility of the IS auditor and does not present a conflict of interest. The skill sets of the audit staff are considered before deciding and selecting the audit. Where the skills are inadequate, the organisation considers using external resources.